How to never run out of things to say in a conversation. Hi, I'm dating coach Ricard. In a world filled with constant chatter, that's a skill that sets apart the conversation maestros. Today, we unravel the secrets to never running out of things to say. Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep a conversation flowing? Fear not. Join us as we embark on a journey to become masters of engagement. Here are my 5 best tips. Tip number 1, active listening. Truly hear and understand what the other person is saying. Tip number 2, be curious. Tip number 3, broaden your horizons. Tip number 4, be present in the moment. And finally, number 5, embrace healthy debate. For more tips, like and subscribe and watch this video.